All right, guys, we're doing lesson 9. Use place value to multiply, okay? So it says using place value multiply session 1. Okay, go to page 211. It says there are 4 stacks of books on a table. Each stack has 20 books. How many books there are in all? Okay, what could I do? What are some strategies that we could use? Groups, okay. I could put 4 circles with 20 each, right? Okay, I could do that. I could do arrays. That'll take forever though, because I would have to put 20 books in each stack, and I'll go 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, right? Okay. Another way, okay, is using place value, like this. Okay. It's multiplication. So what would be my multiplication equation for this example? 4 times 20. Write that down. Four times 20. Write that down. Okay. So first, tell me this. What's 4 times 2? 8. How many zeros do I have right here? No, how many zeros is that? Just 1 0, right? Just 1 0, right? What? There we go. You gotta respond. Okay. So I just put 1 0 there because 4 times 20 is actually 80. Okay.
Hey everybody, today we are multiplying by multiples of 10, which is not only fun to do, but it's fun to say. So you remember this model. It's 10 little cubes stacked up on each other to represent one 10. So what we have here is one group of 10 little cubes, which gives us a total of 10. And we know that we can write one group of 10 as 1 times 10. And that gives us 10 of those little cubes. Now what happens when we have 2 groups of 10 little cubes? Well, we can still write that as 2 equal-sized groups of 10, or 2 times 10, which gives us 20 of those little cubes. And if we go to 3 groups of 10, we have 3 times 10, which gives us 30 of the little cubes. And so on for all of your friends being multiplied by 10. So how might we apply some information like this? Let's take a look at an example. Here Nancy bought 6 boxes of cookies. There's 30 cookies in each box, and we're looking for the total. So we have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of cookies, and there are 30 cookies in each box. Now, maybe you could add these 30s up 6 times, and that would give you the total, but we're kind of looking for some new ways, right? So here we see that we have 6 equal groups of 30. And we can represent that total using multiplication. Here is my 6 groups of 30. Now maybe we don't know how to do 6 times 30, but we do know that 30 is 3 groups of 10, and we can rewrite this as 3 times 10. Now maybe we can work with this fact that we do know, and we'll deal with this in one moment. So 6 times 3 is 18, and now we're just left with multiplying by 10. Well, when we had 2 groups of 10, that was 20. And when we had 3 groups of 10, that was 30. And when we had 4 groups of 10, that was 40. So what you see happening is a little pattern, right? That this factor that we're multiplying by 10 is moving from its original place value to the next place value up. So my 2, which is in the ones place, becomes a 2 in the tens place. So now back to our friends over here, 18 times 10. Well, we know that the 1 will be up a place value from the tens to the hundreds, the 8 will move up from the ones to the tens, and then we just have our 0. Okay, you want to try one more? I thought so. Okay, Coach Retta is buying 5 cases of water, and there are 40 bottles in each case. So we have 1.
Okay, go ahead and do this one. Okay, so somewhere on your book.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases, and there are 40 in each case. Again, you could add 45 times, but we're practicing some new methods, so let's do that. So we have 5 cases of 40, 5 equal-sized groups of 40. So we'll find that total using multiplication. We're going to rewrite our...
Okay, so this was the multiplication sentence you should have written first. 5 times 40.
40 is 4 times 10. We see that 5 times 4 is a fact we know, it's 20. And we're just going to increase that 20 10 times. So to do that, we'll move our 2 from the tens place to the hundreds place. We'll move our 0 from the ones to the tens, and then we have our last 0. Now you can have fun multiplying by multiples of 10.
Cool.
Hey everybody, today we are multiplying by multiples of... Hey everybody, today we...
All right, so on page 212, okay, it says multiplication can be used to find the total when there are 2 or more groups with the same number in each group, like this. So think about 4 times 20, okay, shown by these 10 blocks. Okay, look at it different ways to find the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. You can skip count 8 times, okay, by 10. So if I have 10, 20, 30, 40, what comes next? What?
50.
50. After that?
50.
After that?
70.
And 80. Okay. In the video she showed us that we can just go 4 times 20. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. And then just bring this one more, just a 0 down. Okay. She also showed us that 4 times, she broke this apart to 4 times. Okay. Not 5 times 4, but it was 2 times 10, right? 20 is 2 groups of 10, correct?
Yeah.
So then she just went 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 10 is 80. Okay, it says you can skim count by 20s. Okay, how many times? I'm actually going to do it just 4 times. Look, because I have 1, 2, 3. So 20, 40, 60. What is it?
70.
No, counting by 20s.
80.
20s. It's like 2, 4, 6,
80.
8. So in this case, it would be 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay. You can count on by groups of tens. So 2 tens, 4 tens, 8 tens, 6 tens. Okay. 8 tens is, what's the total we said already? 80. So look at this one here. It says reflect. Do you think skip counting, okay, skip count and counting on would work well with greater numbers such as 8 times 80? What do you think? I can skip count by 2s, by 10s, right? Okay. Or I can use the strategies that they showed us in the video. 8 times 80 is 8 times, what 2 numbers make up 80? What multiples of 10? 8 times 10, right? And she says to do this, 8 times 8 is 64, and then times 10. Okay, 64 times 10 is just 64 groups of 10. Okay, so that would be 64. How many zeros? 1. Okay, it's like, okay.